My name is Barbara Decker, and I've been a childbirth educator for over 40 years. During the period of being an educator, I was fortunate to be exposed to education about the importance of connecting to the baby and the intelligence of the baby in the womb while the baby is growing inside the mom. Most of mums and dads nowadays have never been exposed or read about the important research that's being done by the effects of the epigenetics, what's happening around the pregnant woman during the pregnancy period, can have a major effect on the way that the baby's brain is forming and the type of neurological effects that stress has on our babies. Most parents don't realize that the baby is feeling everything that the mother is feeling. Pregnancy should be a time where mothers are cared for, loved, supported, fed with healthy food, as well as healthy experiences around that pregnancy. Unfortunately, far too often, this is not the case. It is not limited to just someone living in poverty. There can be lots of stress going on people that are professional people. It is critical for early childbirth education to start in the first trimester of pregnancy and even preconception, if at all possible. The work of David Chamberlain and Thomas Vernet has now been verified by the world of neuroscience. We're seeing scientific articles weekly on the effects of stress on the mother during the pregnancy and the effects that that stress can have on the unborn baby. Attachment is happening the moment that baby is conceived in the womb. That baby needs to know he's loved, he needs to be nurtured, he needs to feel safe, he or she. And when they do feel those feelings, there's a greater chance there will be less pregnancy complications. There'll be a bonding between mother and baby and father, and a healthier outcome for the birthing experience and postpartum experience. Our course integrates the most current information and support available for what babies actually can and do experience throughout pregnancy. Babies, even before birth, are far smarter than we've ever thought. Their senses and their memory are functioning even before the physiological structures are formed. This has been proven by the new science of epigenetics and neuroscience. We offer the possibility and strategies for the womb to be a loving and welcoming environment and for a healthy bond to be built during that pregnancy. Pregnancy should not be a terrible experience for a woman. It should be a joyous time for a mother because they are growing a new human being in their womb. And that new human being needs to feel that he's loved, he's safe, he's wanted. And that comes from the attitude that the mother has during the pregnancy. Parents will learn the implications, which are so profound, that can mean the difference between a life built on trust and love or one built on fear, protection, and even violence. Our parents will learn some exciting choices and opportunities to support their children from the first trimester of pregnancy or even before you've become pregnant. I hope that you will join us in looking into the advantages of taking a course with this information. Our Empowering Pregnancy, Parenting from the Beginning of Life, will give a chance for parents to feel empowered, feel better about their pregnancies, handle their pregnancies better, and hopefully bring a family together by the time the birth takes place. That is our goal. This can have long, lifelong, lasting effects when our mothers and our babies feel safe coming into the world. So take this journey with us and start spreading the word. Our organization is called APPA, the Association of Pre- and Perinatal Psychology, and we need all interested parties to take in the knowledge of birth psychology. This has a profound chance of making a difference in the amount of violence that we see happening in our surroundings in this day and age. We hope that you will join us. Please feel to contact myself or Dr. Nancy Holm. Our contact information is on this page. Thank you for listening.